parked up again, and we've just arrived in the historic town of Betancuria, the oldest town on the island. As well as being the oldest town of Fuerteventura, this beautiful place is also the least densely populated town in the island, with around 800 inhabitants. Until 1834, Betancuria was the original capital of the island. Each year the town attracts thousands of tourists who surrender to its charm and history. The Church of Santa Maria was founded in the 15th century. Despite its small size, it was the first cathedral in Fuerteventura. The town has many places to eat, drink and relax. We came here for the views and to indulge in cake. As Elaine relaxed on a bench, I did some more exploring of this wonderful town. Stopped up here. Stunning vista. While we're up here, we're going to find ourselves a geocache. It'd be rude not to. Nice little pathway down here. You probably wouldn't even know it was here. And next to this pathway, this. That's where we were. Betancuria. That's where we were. If you do come to the town, we recommend you then drive up the hill to these statues for some more great views.